lot going on this corner. That's for you? The key? Okay. Alright, so my buddy owns this shop. He rents it out. And I rekeyed it for him recently, but he lost the key. So instead of picking that open, they're all the same key. Usually I send them the cuts, but I did not send them the cuts this time. So I'm just gonna take one out, dissect it, take a key to it, and then that key should work on the rest of them. Dang. What are they doing over here? Lower that down. Got the bumper on the floor. Well, I'm just being nosy now. Get back to work. Okay, got the lock in my hand. We're going to basically open it up. There's one pin on the back, or one retaining clip. That's it right there. And then you can either shim it from the back to pick it, or you can just hit it with a pick gun a couple times. So I would go for that. There we go, let's turn. Want a follower. And then the main thing is don't move those pins because we need to face it up so that your pins don't fall out. Put a key in. And you can basically see we got 3. Those are the cuts. We're going to cut that key. And you can see everything's flush. So that is the correct key. Put our cylinder back in. So this key should work here.